Let's start our journey of learning Java programming using the Eclipse IDE. So first of all, you have to open the application, and when you will see this after closing the windows, you just have to go to the file menu and go to new and then project, and then the type of project you have to choose. So let's say we want to start a Java project, then click on next, and then we have to enter the project name. Let's say Being Skilled is the name, you can choose any name, and then what would be the execution JRE. So choose the latest one which is installed on your system. So we have two installed, one is 1.6, another one is 1.8. so we are going with 1.8, and now click on finish. And once you're done with it, you can just click on this arrow and it will show you the src file. This is the folder wherein all the files of your project will be located. So now let's create our first Java file. Right click on the src folder and then hover over the new and then file. So the class name should be same as the file name. So over here we will be having the file name hello.java and then finish. So now we can see we have the Java file. So now let's just type class and then hello, and then within curly brackets you can have public static void main and then arguments and then the square brackets and then curly brackets starts, and then we can just type system.out.println welcome to Being Skilled. You can type anything you want which you want to be printed as the output, and now run this. We can observe that we have the class name same as the file name. So this is really important because Java mandates that. Also the case should be same because Java is a case sensitive language. The only thing which we didn't type is string args, which is arguments, and then just run this and we can see the output which is welcome to Being Skilled. So we can just zoom into the output which is this one, and over here the code is this class hello, and then within the curly brackets we have public static void main and then string args and then square brackets, then the curly bracket starts and then system.out.println, and within the parentheses you can type any string whatsoever you want. Now let's have the variable. Let's say we have int var1 equals to a number, and another one would be int var2 equals 200, and we want to print the sum of it. So let's say int var3 equals to var1 plus var2. So ideally it should print 300. And all we have to do is just change it and then plus and then var3. We haven't done anything which is really hard to understand. We have declared three variables which are of integer type and we have assigned them some value. So this is first variable declaration, this is second, and in this one we have assigned the value. So first of all it will sum up and then the value will go to the var3 and the values will be stored there, and then system.out.println and then sum is within the inverted commas, and then it will print var3. We can just have some space so that it will look neat. So now if we'll run this, now press OK. Okay, so we have some error, which is what? So the error is that we didn't type correctly. Now the error will be resolved. Now again click on OK and scroll down, and we can see we have this sum 300. So the output is correct and is fairly easy to understand. First of all, we have defined the class and the contents of class. Everything should be there within public static void main, and then string, then args. Then we have defined different integers and assigned them some values, and then they are summing up and the value goes to another variable, and then we are just printing it out on the screen, which is visible over here. So this is how you make the simplest program using Java programming language in the Eclipse IDE.
Thank you for watching the tutorial. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button for receiving more updates from Being Skilled.